Hi everyone, I am an AI avatar Luna from Bright Bunny Studio, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to tell a story about believe in yourself. Once in the sparkly blue-white land of Icicle Bay lived a small penguin named Pippa. Pippa was very cute, with a bright orange beak and flippers that seemed just a little bit too long for her body. While the other penguins loved the Great Sky Splash, a contest to see who could dive from the highest ice ledge, Pippa stayed on the ground. Every time she looked up at the high ledge, her knees would wobble. "I can't do it," Pippa whispered to her friend, Barnaby the bear. "My flippers are too long. I'll just flop instead of fly." Barnaby patted her head with a giant fuzzy paw. "Pippa, those flippers aren't a mistake. They're your superpower. You just have to believe they can carry you." The big day. The morning of the Great Sky Splash arrived. The sun turned the ice into shimmering diamonds. "I'm going to fail," she thought. She turned to walk away. But then she remembered Barnaby's words. She closed her eyes and took a deep breath. Instead of thinking about falling, she imagined herself as a silver arrow cutting through the wind. "I am brave. I am strong. I can do this," she whispered. The leap of faith. Pippa didn't walk away. She took a running start, her long flippers tucked tight to her sides. She hit the slide and zoomed down faster than anyone else. When she reached the edge, she didn't just fall, she soared. Splash! Because her flippers were longer, they caught the wind like wings. For 3 glorious seconds, Pippa wasn't just a penguin, she was an explorer of the sky. Splash! She hit the water perfectly, disappearing into a cloud of bubbles. When she popped back up, the whole bay erupted in cheers. A new lesson. Pippa climbed out of the water, her feathers dripping and her heart full of joy. She realized that the only thing holding her back wasn't her flippers, it was her fear. "You did it," Barnaby cheered. Pippa grinned, her orange beak shining. "I didn't need to be like the others. I just needed to believe in me." From that day on, Pippa was the first one at the top of the ice ledge, reminding everyone that when you believe in yourself, even the sky isn't too high.